Okay, you probably can't see too much right now. Well, now you can. Putting it through a pair of sunglasses, and it's the speaker again. I'm going to arc to, so that way you can actually see it this time instead of just see a bright flash on the camera. So just give me 1 second. Okay, and here it is through the Ow! Apparently arc to a magnet and it kind of splinters off and crackles and pops hot magnet at you. That's unplugged. I don't know if you can see that too well. Magnets all chipped to hell. When magnets get hot, they tend to chip off. When you arc to it, they really chip off and splinter and fly at you. So probably don't want to arc to a magnet. See them not being protected. So. Well, that's through sunglasses. Might be able to see it a little better that way. See what you guys think. Oh, that's the magnet again.